Hardly any ripples on the water here, just from the ducks swimming about. Well, here we are. The park's back open again after about a 2-month closure. This is a result of a lightning strike on September 28th, 2022. That took out about 225 palm trees. These are the ones that were burnt, and a few other species. They only had to take out about 40 palm trees. The rest seem to be coming back pretty well. You can see some green up on the top. So anyway, Agua Caliente Park is back open. Come on out and enjoy the serenity. The ducks are here. This morning we saw a great blue heron and a egret, merganser. So as we come down here, this is the burner. That was the entrance road coming in. A few people out and about, some dog walkers out. Kind of cool this morning, it's probably about 40 degrees. Ranch house will be open again starting Thursday through Saturday. I think the intent is to eventually get back to a Wednesday through Sunday opening. Just another beautiful day, no wind, clear skies.